Find the first four terms of the sequence whose nth term is given by the rule a sub n is equal to 8n. Hi guys! Welcome sa Love Math! And today we are going to find for the first four terms of this given rule of the sequence. So since we are finding for the first four terms, ang n natin ay equal kay 1, 2, 3, 4. Bakit? First term, second term, third term, fourth term. Dahil 4 terms ang hinahanap natin or first 4 terms. Kung first 6 terms yan, meron pa kayong 5 and 6. Okay? So depende sa kung ano yung hinahanap. Now, we are going to substitute these numbers here sa mga n natin. Okay? Remember mga anak na kapag ang number at ang letter ay sinulat ng magkasama ng walang plus and minus, ang operation sa kanila ay ano? Correct, multiplication. So, when you substitute the value of n, dapat naka-parenthesis kasi multiply yung operation natin. So, if we have here n is equal to 1, you are going to have a sub 1 or first term is equal to 8. Okay, times, ano ang n natin? 1. Okay, so 8 times 1 is 8. So, our first term is 8. O, ganun lang kadali. How about if we have the second term? So, our n now is equal to 2. Okay? So, you are going to have n as 2. A sub 2 is equal to 8 times, correct, 2. So, 8 times 2 is 16. So, our second term is 16. Okay? How about the third term? So, n is equal to 3. So, we have a sub 3. So, yung n mo ay 3 na. And then you're going to have 8 times 3. So, 8 times 3 is, that's right, 24. So, you have the third term as 24. And the last term will be n equals to 4. Okay? So, you have a sub 4 is equal to 8 times ang n mo ay 4. So, we have 8 times 4, that's 32. Okay? So, the fourth term is 32. So, ang sequence mo will be 8, 16, 24, and 32. Okay? Now you try. How about if you have the rule a sub n is equal to negative 9n. Okay? What will be the first 5 terms? Okay? Oh, kung naintindihan ng video na to, please i-comment yan sa ating comment section ha kung na-gets. Kung hindi naman, i-comment din dyan. Okay? And please don't forget to follow our page and share our videos para marami pang matuto sa math. And remember that sharing is caring. Bye!